Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Oraimo. We're back again with another great amazing tech video. The video of today, it's all about the Oraimo rounded watch. Now, last time we saw a curved watch, which it was really good, packed with some kind of few features which it has, but well, it's legitimate. But right now we're gonna see another kind of product from Oraimo lineup, and this is a rounded watch. Whoa, there we have it. As you can see, this is a rounded watch, and I find it's really good. It's not quite bad, it's improvement. But is it enough to beat the curved one? Because we saw the curved one having those kind of features of sports music control. Does it have the same features? And the other one which you saw, curved one, it's an IP68 water resistant. Does this kind of bad boy still have those kind of features just like the curved one, or is it something different? Enough of me talking, let us just unbox it and see what's packed and see how much it's capable of doing. Yeah, let us just unbox it, because this seems to be a little bit different compared to the curved one on the box side, and it's kind of feeling brand new here, so I think you just release it. These guys have nice branding, but when it comes to the watch and the apps, I think they have just to push themselves more and more. So I like, first of all, the texture on the box. It's really good. So this is how you open up the box. Impressive. As you can see there, you get the watch, which is really steady, which is really nice. You can just pull up this way and have the watch ready. Now, right now I'm gonna keep the watch aside. As you can see, it demonstrated inside. This is the charging dock. These are paperworks. I really like that. Very nice and amazing packaging demonstration, which is really good. Let's start with the charger first. What's inside in here and what's packed throughout this charger, because well, I'm really kind of pumped to see what's happening inside. Whoa, this is come on guys, for real? Did you have to do this? Oh man, you just, whoa, this is something else. I've never seen a charger from actually I've never seen a bigger charger like this way, because this kind of charger feels very big. By the way, let me just demonstrate with the watch here, so as we can all be at the same scope of what I'm talking about. So I think on the charging side, you just have to dock it this way, and after you dock it, you close it and you start to charge. To be honest, this is a bigger charger ever. The one who designed this kind of layout, man, shout out to you, because damn, this feels very bigger. But anyways, this is the charger throughout Oraimo watch, so I'm gonna keep it aside first. In here, I think these are paperworks, which sometimes we read, sometimes we don't. What if combining only in one single box? It would be much proper. But anyways, that's what Oraimo got it covered. You can see really nice and well packed demonstration. I wish this kind of demonstrations, I wish them they could be appearing for real on their app side, because the app side on the phone, really they need improvement throughout that. So yeah, right now, as you can see guys, it's really kind of good watch, to be honest. Really nice material. The heart rate sensors at the back, which gives you some heart rate sensor. The pins here, golden pins for charging throughout your watch, incredible. The knob, which, wow, can you adjust this knob? This is nice, I like that. But this kind of ring, it does not rotate, it's a fixed ring, so you're gonna turn it on and see if it has some juice and explore it. But does it have some juice? I don't think so, so let us see. So guys, as you can see, it's on right now and it's charging. So on this kind of screen side, which I'm kind of like finding it at the first glance it's good, but the only thing, if you swipe down that kind of animation, it's just feeling it's square. Just pay a close attention on the display. It feels it's square. They just kept the shape of the body rounded. It's not rounded enough inside. It's a square box inside. As you can see there, it's square. And on the heart rate sensor too, you can see that's heart rate sensor. On the apps, those are the apps. You can scroll down, that's weather, and you can scroll down again, those are messages or notification, and this is others. So If you tap on others, does it even work? This is power off. Come on, for real? Are you guys kidding me? Why is it slow this way? It's just way more slow. It's just not way more there, to be honest. Quite not bad, but it's very slow on the responsive side. This kind of watch of Oraimo offers you a screen size of 1.3 inch, which is an IPS color, and a Bluetooth version 4.0, and a battery capacity of 240 milliamp of battery, and standby time up to 20 days, and the battery type, it's a lithium polymer. Another kind of stuff, the strap size, it's 245 millimeter, and it's an IP67 waterproof resistant, which it's really kind of vibrant. So guys, to be honest, on this kind of watch of Oraimos, they're really not quite bad. They're good designs, the feel is good, the box are good, the unbox experience is good, but on delivering what the watch is supposed to be doing, it's a big no, I guess. It's a big no, because the features which it has, you cannot even touch on the screen when you want to go directly throughout the app. Like, you just want to just slide into settings side and change some stuffs. Just check it out. You cannot go inside. Even this kind of button here, knob, it just on and off, and that's it. And you synchronize throughout the app, throughout throughout the watch. But the only downside, it's all about how seamless it's supposed to be sparking. Man, this kind of watch, I won't give it a pass, to be honest. I think Oraimo is supposed to push themselves and make a better watch, which a lot of people would like for sports. It's kind of hard for me to recommend for people that this kind of watch, it's good, legitimate. Since we unboxed the curved one and this one rounded, this kind of watch, they're so gimmicky, they're not what it's supposed to be doing. The only watch which I'm still recommending up to now is the Amazfit Neo. To be honest, I find it Amazfit watches, if you want to get into fitness, not only Amazfit but even the Mi Band and others watches out there, the Huawei watches, those kind of brand names which, you know, they won't disappoint. But for this kind of watch from Oraimo, first glance on the watch, disappointment, but throughout the earphones and headphones, I think they might be pushing somewhere, but not that much. But still, it's a long way to go for them to understand what the users need. It's not because of budget, we understand budget, but it's all about efficiency. It's all about how much you can interact with the watch. It's all about how much it will be good enough for you. Like, I have my Amazfit Neo here, I'm rocking it. I can just select how many kilometers I'm going, and it shows me, and at glance all the sensors, they work perfectly and correctly, and it's just enough for me. But for this kind of Oraimo watch, I don't recommend it for you guys, to be honest. I'm not recommending. I just wanted to unbox it and review and check it out what's packed. But it's designed, it's it's good, but unboxing experience is good, but the watch, what it's supposed to be delivering, it's worse. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you got this video legitimately, and don't make a wrong choice on purchasing this kind of watch. Please just don't do that. And last but not least, you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. And another kind of stuff, if Oraimo you're watching this video, please pull up your socks on the market side of these kind of watches. Not everybody wants something budget, but experience is bad. Because if you want budget, even the Xiaomi, they have a budget devices of watches which they're really budget, and they deliver perfect software environment for the user experience. That's what's up, guys. I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and kudos guys, and peace.